As nobody can go back and make a grand new start, but anybody can start from now and make a grand ending. Don't worry about the past mistakes and don't overthink that you have wasted plenty of time, and don't criticize yourself because past is past. It's done. No one can change it. Use your present properly. Always keep this in mind. And NEET 2021 is nearing. Studying 11th and 12th syllabus in just 30 days is a challenging thing. And in this video, I have given a perfect 30-day schedule, daily schedule, and I also given a complete strategy for those who haven't completed their syllabus. And only those who are very serious about your preparation, please continue watching this video. I am Ibrahim, NEET 2019 topper, currently pursuing second year MBBS in Madras Medical College. If you are new to my channel, then consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get instant notification whenever I upload new video. Okay, then without wasting a moment, let's get started. The core idea is we are going to divide the entire NEET syllabus into 10 parts, and for studying each part you will get 2 days. And if you take a closer look, in that 2 days you have 1.5 days for studying and remaining half day for writing mock tests and analyzing your performance. You got it right. And here is the 10 part syllabus. I have given download link in description. By clicking that you can download this schedule. In each part you need to study few chapters from all the 3 subjects and you will write 1 mock test per each part. So totally you will write 10 mock tests for 10 parts. Okay, fine. Let me repeat. The plan is very simple. We have divided the entire NEET syllabus into 10 parts and you will get 2 days for studying each part and you will write 1 mock test for each part. Fine. I hope you understood. Now let us look at the 30-day schedule. This is the perfect 30-day schedule. Okay, let us take a closer look into the first 2 days of this schedule. As I mentioned earlier, you will get 2 days for studying each part, and that is 1.5 days for studying and half day for writing mock tests and analyzing your performance. So in first day, both forenoon and afternoon, you will study part 1 syllabus, and in the second day also, during forenoon you will study part 1 syllabus, and during the afternoon you will write a mock test. Fine. And you will do the same thing for next 2 parts. Once you have completed 3 parts by 6th day, you will get a 1 day gap in the 7th day. In that day, you need to revise first 3 part syllabus once again. In the same way, you will write next 3 mock tests, and in the 14th day, you need to revise 4th, 5th and 6th part syllabus. And next, you will write 4 mock tests, and in 23rd day, you will get a 1 day gap. In that day, you need to revise 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th part syllabus once again. Okay, fine. At the end of 23rd day, you will complete studying entire NEET syllabus one time. Great. And in the 24th and 25th day, you need to revise only the class 11 portion, and you will write a half portion test for class 11 at 25th day evening. Fine. Next, in 26th and 27th day, you need to revise only the class 12 portion, and you will write a half portion test for class 12 at 27th day evening. Fine. And in 28th and 29th day, you will get 2 days for revision. During this time, you need to revise the topics which you feel like you forgot or you need to study again. And finally, in the 30th day, you will write 2 full portion tests, one in the morning and another in the evening. And this is all about 30-day schedule. I told you that you will get 2 days to study each part. Yes, now I will explain how to utilize these 2 days, and here is the 2-day schedule. On the first day, you need to wake up at 6 and get ready to study by 6:30 in the morning. And in the morning time, your mind will be very fresh, so you can able to understand difficult topics very easily. So from 6:30 to 8:30, study physics. If you have already completed your preparation, then just revise the notes and formulas. But if you haven't completed your preparation, just quickly go through the important concepts and formulas. Okay, then from 8:30 to 9:30, take bath and have a breakfast. Then from 9:30 to 10:30, practice physics problems. While solving, follow this order. First, solve previous year questions, then AIMS question, then JEE main question from Arihan. I have given a book link in description, you can check that later on. If you don't have time to complete all these, just try to complete only the previous year questions. That's very important. Next, from 10:30 to 12:30, study chemistry. You can take 10 minutes break in between or take 10 minutes break for every 1 hour of studying. Okay, from 12:30 to 1:30, do chemistry problems, same like physics. First previous year questions, then AIMS question, then JEE mains. Fine. Then 1:30 to 2:30, lunch break. After lunch, it is very difficult to study new topics. So from 2:30 to 5:30, 3 hours, again solve problems from physics or chemistry. Then 5:30 to 6, tea break. Just chill out, listen to your favorite song, have fun. Then from 6 to 9, study biology. Follow these strategies which I have mentioned in my previous videos. If you didn't watch that video, I will provide a link in description. You can watch that later on. Okay, from 9 to 9:30, dinner time. Spend time with your family and relax. Then again from 9:30 to 11:30, solve biology MCQs. First, previous year questions, then AIMS and JIPMER questions, then MTG fingertips or NEET champion questions. Then finally at 11, it's time to sleep. This is for day 1. Next, day 2. As usual, wake up at 6 and get ready by 6:30. From 6:30 to 8:30, 2 hours study physics. From 8:30 to 9:30, take bath and have a breakfast. From 9:30 to 11:30, study chemistry. From 11:30 to 1, revise biology, and from 1 to 2, lunch break. Relax. And sharply by 2 pm, get ready for the mock test. 2 to 5 pm, it's time for the test. I will tell you how to write the mock test, don't worry. Next, from 5 to 6 pm, take a break, chill. And from 6 to 7:30, analyze the question paper and trace out your mistakes and write them in a separate sheet of paper and research why you made that mistake. Next, from 7:30 to 8:30, read physics again and strengthen the parts where you did most of the mistakes in mock test. And 8:30 to 9:30, dinner time and take rest. From 9:30 to 10:30, again study chemistry. And from 10:30 to 11:30, study biology and rectify your mistakes that you have committed in the mock test. And finally at 11:30, it's time to sleep. This is the schedule to study each part. Follow this schedule strictly for the remaining 9 parts as well. I know it's a difficult one, but if it is easy, everybody can score very good marks and get MBBS seat. But that is not the fact. If you like to differentiate from others, then definitely you need to work hard. Okay, now you may ask me how to write the mock test. The answer is you have 2 options. One is offline, free, and online, paid one. I will tell you both and you decide. First one, in this case, you need a question bank, a timer, and a OMR sheet. Step 1, before starting the test, you need to manually pick 180 questions from your question bank. Step 2, set a timer for 3 hours. Step 3, start solving and share your answers in OMR sheet. The reason to use OMR sheet is you will get the exam hall feeling. After the completion of the test, you need to manually check your answers from your question bank and you need to calculate your score. If you choose this option, you need to follow all these steps, which is really time consuming. In the second case, you can attend our test series. We are conducting all these 10 mock tests in our NEET Master application. Main highlight is you don't need to worry about finding question paper. We are providing conceptual and highly probable questions for NEET exam, and most important thing is we provide the rank list and scorecard. So it gives you a competitive feeling so that you can better understand how others are preparing and how much hard work you need to put extra to get better rank. And this is very important while preparing for any competitive exam. And you don't need to waste time to calculate your marks, and we will do that for you. And one more benefit is we are providing answer key, so you don't need to worry about finding answers for each and every question. And the last thing is we also provide you the question paper in PDF format so that you can later on go through it. And you can avail all these features by paying only 299 rupees, which is not more than you pay to buy few burger or pizzas. If you are interested to buy our test series, then download our app NEET Master. I have given a link in description and launch it. Here you need to click store button, and here you can find our mock test series for NEET 2021. Select that, and at the bottom click buy now button and complete your payment through any mode of payment. And this is the procedure to buy. We are also conducting 20 days physics crash course to complete entire physics syllabus. If you are interested in that, please check out that also. I hope you liked this video and found it very useful. Thank you for watching my video till the end. See you in next video.